watching PHP tutorials. Today we are going to see multidimensional array in PHP. So first of all, start our Chrome browser. Let's check our localhost is working or not. It's not working, so I need to go to our XAMPP control panel and start this Apache service. It is running fine. Second, we need to use here a Notepad++ editor, which is a very good editor for beginners. So suppose if we have to save data of user, for example, if I need to store data of 5 students, so student will have properties like name, age, and their section. Suppose first name is like Rajiv, and Rajiv's age is 23 and his section is A. Then we have another one, that is Akshay, and Akshay is having 22 age and he is in section B. Suppose I have to use this same pattern in PHP, so I can use multidimensional arrays. So for that we just need to initialize one variable, that is array of students equals to array and here I can write another array inside the array. The first variable I'll take name, that is nothing but Rajiv. Second variable would be its age 23 and third one is section. Similarly, for the second array it will be Akshay having 22 age and third one is section B. So if I just save it with the name array.php, and if I want to print this array on the browser, so I'll just need to use print underscore r function, and let's just try to run this on browser. So in the localhost we have saved our program in PHP programs directory, so you can see multi array over here. If I just print this, it is showing Rajiv 23 and A and Akshay 22 and B. So I'll just need to format it over here. So that's how you can use multidimensional array. We can replace this indexes by using a key value pair, like name should be equals to Rajiv, age should be equals to 23, and section will be A. Similarly for the second array. Save it and refresh this. So you can see name equals to Rajiv, age equals to 23, section equals to A. Similarly for another array. You can add multiple arrays within the array, like if I want to add first name and last name in another array, so I can use this kind of syntax inside the array. First name equals to Akshay and last name equals to Shah. If I just save it and refresh it, so it is showing array inside an array. So in this way you can use multiple arrays within an array and use it in your PHP script. So that's all for now. In the next tutorial, we are going to see date and time in PHP. Thank you for watching. For more videos.